Hey guys, okay, so if you're looking for a walking cane that is really easy to use and not bulky, check out this one. This one is really impressive. I work as an occupational therapist. I've seen many canes and this one is awesome. This is the Michael Graves Quick Fold Walking Cane. Check that out. And what makes it different from all the other canes I've seen is how quick and easily it folds. This is so cool. I love this. I could just play with it all day. I don't know if you can tell, but it actually has this magnetic folding design. So there's actually a magnet in here that's making it stick, but I like it because the magnet it's not hard to come apart. So it's easy to fold, easy to go ahead and just put away anywhere. It's so convenient. Take a closer look at the grip. It is also extremely comfortable. It is made with ergonomic grip support. It feels nice and smooth, and it's much more comfortable than a lot of other canes I've tried. I also love that it has this little loop here, so you can go ahead and put your arm in, and it has this little thing at the side that you can, fit it to your arm. You can hold the cane without worrying about it going anywhere. If need be, you can also kind of like loop it on your arm like this if you need to grab something really quick and it will not fall off. And I don't have a table close by, but you see how it has this little hook. You can hook it to a table, a doorknob, whatever, and see how it stays like that. So if you need to set it down for a minute and not worry about it falling, you can do that. It's those little details like that that are so useful and make life so much easier. The cane is also super lightweight. It actually weighs less than a pound, but is really durable. It will support up to 300 pounds. Now let me show you one of my favorite features. It actually has this push button as opposed to that little clip, so you can adjust the cane up and down as desired, and it locks right in. It's so smooth and simple. It's really versatile and will pretty much accommodate any height. And yet another cool feature about this cane is that it comes with these two tips. So this one, it's going to stand alone by itself. It offers a little more stability, but you have the option to just simply take it off and you can switch it out for the other tip, making it a straight cane. Absolutely loving this cane. It's practical, it's stylish, and definitely makes life a lot easier.